I can't wait to get back to Oklahoma to implement everything I've learned.
Right, so because you'll be good. Okay, good, that's great. Did you fill out? Did he got out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Trey Cut It _ on Instagram.
Cool. Where'd you come in from today?
I came all the way from Lawton, Oklahoma today to take this class.
So what class did you take today?
I took the Acne Keloidalis Nuchae class.
So how was today's class?
Man, it was so informative in my mind.
You've been doing it forever, bro.
I've been studying it.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been studying it. Studying him, actually.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
From afar.
Oh, okay. How you discover on?
Life-changing information. Become a specialist. Get certified.
Rejuvenation is it's taking off the dead skin cells and the new skin cells are coming up. That's what
What some of the information you learned today?
Instantly. It's real. It's great when you can take a class and be so well informed that you can actually take exactly what you learned from the class and start to implement what you learned instantly and instantly make money from it. So like I'm blown away right now. It's everything I thought it would be. You know what I'm saying? But you was real confident when we talked on Instagram about it. You know what I'm saying? Told me you would be an expert by the time you leave me, and I remember when you said that, I was like, okay, we'll see. But I really do feel like that way right now, though.
Yeah. So now you're the expert to see in your locale. So anybody that needs any treatment, make sure you go see my man.